YouTube channel for day 118. This was the 26th of December 2022. It was a Monday, and it's the official observed day of Christmas because Christmas Day fell on a Sunday. So Monday was the official holiday. So it's nice that I'm happy about the holidays, but it's also a little bit of a relief when the holidays are over with, because then we can get back into our routine. With my business, I'm anxious to get started, and although I can appreciate the break and everybody's looking forward to the holidays, now that they're over, now we can get back down to business. So that next year, for 2023, when Christmas time rolls around again, that we are in a situation where we are much better off, and we can do much more for ourselves and our families than what we did in the past. So that's my goal for this next year, is to have a better Christmas next year. Of course, you don't know what's going to happen in the next year. All we can do is do what we can. So that's what we're doing. So this day is a little bit colder. The weather's been colder. There was a cold bomb, I'd never heard of that before, but it was like the coldest Christmas ever to hit Florida and hit the United States. But Florida, it reached down into the 30s. I mean, I have the heat on in the house right now, but the temperatures are going back up finally. But it was really, really, really cold, and had to have the heat on. So I'm glad the heat works. I never used the heat for the house, but we did these last couple days with the cold bomb, Arctic air coming down, and right in the very beginning of winter, because the winter was the 21st of December. So right in the very beginning of winter to have that cold bomb. So that was interesting. But now the temperatures are going back up. Next few days, they're supposed to go up to about 80 degrees as a high temperature. So it'll be nice, typical Florida weather. That's why I love living here. I do not like the cold. So I started this day off with exercise at 45 minutes, including a 5-minute jog. I work mostly on books. I did books in the 26th of December. I'm now sending books to the other account, so there's a lot to do. I'm not starting to really wind down buying books and just doing what I normally buy, but I was buying like crazy in the last couple of days, trying to get prepared for textbook season. And then I studied a little bit for the insurance business, completed a couple training modules there. I did got on the dialer a little bit for solar on the 26th. I think most people are out, and they really are. I think this after the 26th of December, there are more people more inclined. But the 26th being Monday, which is a federal holiday, a lot of people are still celebrating Christmas, and I think that will end after this day. So yeah, that's basically about it. Did some business with the dialer, insurance, books, and that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks.